Hi there, welcome to day 1 of our storytelling course. Our adventure begins. So now, imagine that stories about that turtle and the rabbit, What happens that the turtle and the rabbit have a race. So did the story start like this, that a rabbit and the turtle had a race and at last turtle won? No, we can say this is a sentence that we can combine using a conjunction. But this doesn't make sense. This doesn't make a story, right? So, like the story that we all have heard, it tells all the details, what all happened, what all challenges were faced, and how did the turtle won at the last. Because we know rabbit is fast. How? So, this is what it makes us wonder. So, basically, yes, this is what is a story. So in today's class, we are going to know what is storytelling, what are the 6 elements of a story, and what benefit am I going to learn from these stories. Yes, so these are the 3 things that we are going to learn in today's class. That means day 1. First of all, what is storytelling? Storytelling is the art of sharing ideas, feelings, and experiences through words, imaginations, or visuals. Do you know there are 3 types through which we can express a story? First is writing. We write books, novels, right? So this is the way of writing through which we can express a story. Now the other two, the second one is visuals. What is visuals? In visuals we see animations, cartoons, or stories, right? So these are 2. Now the other one that is left is, yes, imagination. We imagine stories, right? So these are the 3 ways to express stories. Okay, now we got to know what are the 3 ways to express stories. Now, what are the benefits through which I can get after learning storytelling? So the benefits are given on the screen. Now, what are the 6 types of element that we need to know? Yes. So the first one is setting. What is setting? Setting is the place, like the place where the story takes place. For example, in the turtle and the rabbit story, the setting we can say was the ground or the jungle where the race took place. Okay. Now, plot. Plot means what happens in a story. So basically the plot here was, in the story was that the rabbit and the turtle had a race. Okay, we got these 2 things, these 2 elements of a story. Now, the other 4 are characters. Like we have villains, heroes in a movie. Similarly, we have characters in a story. In this story, we have the characters as the turtle and the rabbit. Now we have conflict. What is conflict? Yes, wait, I'm telling. Conflict is the problem that is faced in that story. For example, the problem that was faced was by the turtle. At the starting of the race, the rabbit ran too faster, but the turtle ran slowly, right? So this was the problem that was faced by the turtle. Now, we came to know what is conflict. Okay, resolution. The other element is resolution. Resolution is really similar to solution, right? Yes, resolution basically means solution of that problem. So what was the resolution? The resolution was that at the end what happened? That the rabbit slipped and the turtle won the race. The turtle went and won the race. So this was the resolution. This was the solution for the turtle. Now, what is the theme? Theme is basically the thing of the story, like the genre we can say, right? So theme is basically, I'll give you an example. Like we have horror. Let's take example of movies, right? We have horror movies, funny movies that we call as comedy movies, and other. So we have many types of movies, right, that we like many of you like horror, many of you like funny, etc. So we have many types of movies. Yes, okay, we agree to this. Similarly, in a story, we have many types of stories, themes. Like we have themes like fantasy, horror, funny. The story is funny, so the theme is funny, it is horror, so the theme is horror. So now we came to know, okay, what is theme? So these were the 6 elements of a story.